I just want to share with you guys my witnessing the blooming of the Star of Bethlehem flower. My auntie brought one leaf from her native place, and then its blooming is for the first time, and the bloom comes out of the leaf at the end of the leaf, not from the branch. It's real something unique to me. I haven't seen this before. So let's watch. This flower blooms once a year. That's it. The plant belongs to cactus family. Its botanical name is Epiphyllum oxypetalum. Its Indian names are Nishaganthi, Brahmakalam, and Anantha Sayanam. Anantha Sayanam means pleasant and deep slumber. This is my auntie Rani. She's the youngest sister of my mother. And she's showing the flower, lifting the flower and showing the front side of it. It's also called Queen of the Night because it blooms at night. From the time it starts to bloom, it takes few hours for it to fully bloom. If it starts to bloom between 8 and 9 at night, and it fully blooms around midnight. And by the morning, it closes and starts to wither away. This little angel is my auntie's tenant's daughter. She really thinks my auntie is her grandmother. She's very much attached to my auntie. This is my auntie, my mom's younger sister. We call her Rani Chitti. It's been about 2 hours since it started to bloom. It has bloomed about maybe halfway. When it blooms in the center of the flower, it looks like Lord Vishnu is in the slumber position. So that's why it's also called Ananda Sayanam, deep slumber. When this flower blooms, it gives out a beautiful fragrance. It's amazing. You have to smell it. It's hard to explain. It's amazing. It's so fragrant. Here is the Star of the Bethlehem, or Ananda Sayanam, or Brahmakalam, or Nishaganthi flower in full bloom. The day after it bloomed, it closes its petals and slowly starts to wither away.